In this video, you will create a captive portal to control access to your wireless network. Captive portals capture all users connecting to your FortiAP's wireless network and redirect their traffic to the portal page. On the portal page, you can display information, provide a disclaimer for an open network, or ask for authentication credentials. Captive portals provide security and information to your users without compromising ease of access. In this example, a captive portal will be used to secure an open network for company employees. First, you will create user accounts for your employees and a user group for use in firewall policies. Go to User and Device, User Definition. You can use any authentication method with captive portals, but for this example, you will create local users. Enter a username and password, and other information as needed. Create additional user accounts, one for each employee. Then go to User and Device, User Groups, and create a group for employees with all the users that you created added to the group. Now go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller, Wi-Fi Network, SSID to configure the wireless network. Create a new SSID, entering a name and a network IP. Enable the DHCP server and create an address range to assign to wireless users. Note down this address range for the next step. Under Wi-Fi settings, set the security mode to Captive Portal. Set the portal type, and for the user group, select your employee group. Once you have created the SSID, you can return here to customize the portal page. Save the SSID. Next, go to Policy and Objects, Objects, Addresses. Before you can create a policy to govern employee traffic, you'll need to create an address to limit traffic only to devices with correct IPs. For the subnet IP range, enter the subnet that matches the addresses assigned by the DHCP server. Set the interface to the SSID interface and save the address. Now go to the Policy list at Policy and Objects, Policy, IPv4, and create a policy allowing Wi-Fi users to connect to the Internet. Set the source address to the Wi-Fi address that you just created, and the source users to the employee user group. Configure the rest as desired, and save the policy. If your FortiAP is already connected, skip to the last part of this step. Go to System, Network, Interface. Choose an interface that you're not using and edit it. Set the addressing mode to Dedicated to Extension Device. Once you save the changes, connect the FortiAP unit to this interface. Then go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller, Managed Devices, Managed FortiAPs. The FortiAP should be listed with a yellow question mark under State because the device is not authorized. Select it from the list and select Authorize. This process may take a minute. While you wait, go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller, Wi-Fi Network, FortiAP Profiles, and edit the default profile. For each of the Wi-Fi radios, enable Radio Resource Provision, and set the SSID to your employee network SSID. Save the changes. When a user connects to the wireless network, it will appear as open, and you can connect to it without entering any credentials. The first time the user attempts to use a web browser, the Captive Portal login screen will appear. Users who are members of the Employees group can log in using their username and password and will be granted full access to the wireless network. In the Fortigate interface, you can go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller, Monitor, Client Monitor to see connected wireless users. Thank you for watching. If you need further details, you can visit docs.fortinet.com to access our complete documentation library. Also check out our new cookbook site at cookbook.fortinet.com for more tutorials like this one.